Yeah. Okay. Hello. This is Miguel from A1 Roofing. Um, I'm a project manager, and today is April 24. I come to check the house for Sergio Ruiz. The property address is 703 North Cherry Street, Mesa, Arizona 85201. We're coming because the roof have a lot of wind damage, storm damage. You can see that everywhere. You can see this situation in the full roof. We will show to the insurance. This is not repairable, but we try to do the best thing. So any size where we're going, like in this, we'll try to fix this side. This one check. Okay, let's go to fix this one. This shingle. First thing, we have the new shingle, Malarkey Vista. So here is same color. So let's go to do this. So you see the situation with the shingle looks deteriorated. In this one, used to do this movement, all the granules start to come off. You can see we lost granule, all these parts, and the shingle is almost come off. And I can see all the damage under here. You can see my finger can go in. So let's go to remove another one. We will do this one and this one. So really careful, like that we don't damage the next shingle. But if you see all shingles start to come off, just try to do this one. This is already off. So for sure we need to remove another one. Sometimes it's difficult to remove the nails because the nail for this shingle is up to this one. So go. Up. Something holding my shingle. Here. Remember, this is the south side, southwest. So I don't know why this nails is not in line. This need to be here, but it's over here. I'm know who did this roof in the past. But if you see, all the granier is off. You can see the damage in the shingle. This is for the storm damage. Go to put inside this one. So, but if you see, this shingle lost the granier already, and it's almost off. And I just touch it. I just tried to do the repair. So this starts to move on to the next one. I can show you. If I try to remove this one, this starts to come off. Use with touch because the wind damage is too big. So I don't want to try this one and this one and this one start to come off. So I will put my new shingles over here, and we will try to do another repair in a different area. So let's go to put this one. Nice shingle. If you see the side, this is an old shingle, so it's a different size probably. Go to see this one. See? So probably different brand. Let's go cover this. Just because we don't want any leak in this area. So it's online. The problem with another shingle, they put the nails in this part. We need the nails in this side. So. My 4 nails is in between the lines. So this is a good job. But in another one, you know, probably it's I don't know when they did this roof. Let's go to put another one. Okay. So this is the first repair, and this is in the south side, southwest side. Okay. This is a wind damage. The shingles be off or has a damage. If we try to repair, the granier start to come off. The seal, if you see the seal is loose. So I think we can't do any repair over here. I recommend that replace the roof. Why? Because if not, we need replace each one, each shingles. So I think the best option over here is replace the full size. We will do another repair in another side, and like that I can show you. Maybe it's the same situation, maybe it's a different situation. Thank you.